Hello everybody, welcome to our lesson number 13. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, and we are in the year 2020. The topics that I have prepared for you today is, first of all, the vocabulary, okay? We are going to study from word 7 to word 12, okay, in the week number 4. And I have prepared another exercise for you regarding the numbers. And finally, we'll be studying and practicing with the grammar topic that is about there is and there are. It is an instruction that you already know, and that is on page 12, letter B. Okay, so let's get started then. Okay, well, first of all, we need to practice with the numbers. So I'm going to repeat twice, but I need that you repeat all these numbers with me, okay? First, the first part, okay? So let's say 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16. Okay, that was great. Now we are going to do the same with the second part, but you will have to repeat with me three times, okay? The first one says 17, 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 19, 19, 19, 20, 20, 20. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Okay, we say delicious when we're eating something that tastes very good and we really enjoy it. Okay, for example, in this case, we have a piece of cake and it has a cherry on top. So we can say it looks delicious. And finally, seed, seed, seed. Okay, seed is a grain of a plant that need to be planted, like here. Okay, underground to germinate. Okay, and to become a real plant. Okay, obviously it needs water and the rays of the sun, but the thing is that that is seed. Okay, so let's continue practicing, but now with the exercise that I already told you. Okay, guys, this is a very easy exercise. What we have to do here is to complete the chart with the right number. But before doing that, I need that you repeat all these numbers that are already written with me, okay? So let's say 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 16, 18, 19, 22, 24. Okay? And now we are going to complete the chart with the numbers. So we are going to repeat the numbers to count them, and you will have to tell me what number is missing in the blank spaces. Okay? In the first case, we have 1 next. Okay, number 2. That's great. I'm going to write with the yellow color. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's great. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's great. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, good. 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, good. 16, and what number is missing here after 16? Okay, 17, right? 17, 18, 19. What number goes here? 20, okay? 19, 20, 20. What? 21, okay, good. 22, 20. What is next? 23. Okay, great. And finally 24. Okay, so I need that you continue practicing with the numbers. Try to count all the objects that are around you. For example, in your house, the chairs in your living room, or the cups that you have in the cupboard. Okay, try to count to practice with this topic. Okay, and next we'll go to the grammar section. Okay, I already had written this, but we'll have to do it all together. Okay, so wait a second. Okay, first of all, I had already explained to you that when we want to mention the things that are around us, we are going to use the structure there is and there are, right? So in this case, for example, I can say, I don't know if you can see all the image. I'm going to, okay, to put it like this. Okay, so you have to write, for example, okay, I'm going to write with the script letter, okay? So there is and there are, right? There is and there are, okay? This is when we want to talk about the objects that are around us. But when we want to ask for those objects, first we need to write the verb to be at the beginning of the sentence. For example, in this case, I say, there is an apple. Okay? There is an apple. But if I want to make a question, to erase this second sentence. Okay, listen. If I want to make a question, what I have to do is to place the word is at the beginning of the sentence, okay? Obviously using the capital letter, and I'm going to say, is there an apple? Is there an apple? Okay? So the same case is for there are. For example, I can say there are strawberries, okay? Strawberries is a fruit, okay? A fruit that is red, is small, and it has a kind of seeds all around the fruit, okay? So I know that my drawing is not very good, but that is the idea. Okay, there are strawberries. If I want to ask something, I have to write are at the beginning of the sentence, and the question here would be, are there strawberries? Are there strawberries? Okay. Now, imagine, and don't forget that when we make questions, we need to write the question mark at the end of the sentence, okay? Sorry. That was horrible, okay? Don't forget that you have to write the question mark at the end of the sentences, okay? So in this case, for example, here in the line, imagine now that we want to know, we don't know the number, okay? And we want to know the quantity. So we need to use a question mark that is called how, okay? How many? In this case, how many apples are there? Okay, how many apples are there? If I want to know the quantity, okay? The quantity, okay? How many apples are there? And the answer is there, okay? There are two, this is my word, apples. There are two apples, okay? And in the second example, it says how, my question word, how, and I need the word many, okay? How many, in this case, strawberries are there? And the answer is there. Okay, Okay, we need to pay attention to the second part of the sentence. Remember that the letter is singular. So for that reason, the structure must be in singular too. So I need to write here, there is, okay? There is a strawberry. Okay, so we are going to continue practicing with this topic. We'll have to write so many sentences using how many in order to clarify this idea. Meanwhile, this is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the class and I see you tomorrow then. Bye bye.